How to buy gift cards on Afterpay. Now, in this quick video, I'll show you a specific method for you to be able to purchase the gift card using Afterpay. So as what you can see, I'm currently using the web version of Afterpay, but if you're going to be using the application, the process are all going to be the same as long as you log in into your Afterpay account. So first is you can use this box right here to search for gift cards or to even search for the specific store where you would like the gift card to be purchased. So say for example, let's just choose on a random store right here. You just have to click on it and then you will automatically be redirected into the shop or the store that you chosen, and then choose on that specific gift card and choose your payment method. And that's it. That's how you buy gift cards on Afterpay.